Alright, I got me some Odyssey bar ends, some Duo grips, Black Ops brake lever with Odyssey cable, got some Haro chromoly bar, got them powder coated red just about a week ago, and got a Demolition V3 Stealth stem, and I got some Fit Forks with the stolen revolver front rim, sealed front hub, premium refuse resist tires. Then I got me some crappy Haro recycled pedals. Look at that, they don't even freaking spin good. Got me some red line cranks with the red Eastern Forces sprocket, I think, 25/9. I got a KHE half-link chain, Black Ops brakes, and a Fit seat. See right there, it says Fit. And seat with rails. I'm going to get pivotal seat soon. Then I got a Weinmann back rim. And it's either Weinmann or Windman with the sealed back cassette hub. And I think that'll do it for my bike check.